Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into fun and engaging activities to help your family build emotional intelligence. From games to mindfulness exercises and creative journaling, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about games and interactive exercises that build empathy and teamwork. These activities are not only fun but also teach kids how to understand and connect with others. Emotion charades. Write down emotions like happy, sad, frustrated, and excited on slips of paper. Take turns acting them out while others guess. It's a playful way to explore feelings. The gratitude game. During dinner or a car ride, go around and share one thing you're grateful for. It fosters positivity and connection. Team building challenges. Try activities like building a tower with blocks or solving a puzzle together. Discuss how you communicated and worked as a team. Storytelling with a twist. Start a story with "Once upon a time there was a character who felt," and let everyone add to it. This builds empathy and creativity. Scene 1. Family playing emotion charades. Visual clip of a family playing emotion charades, laughing and guessing emotions. Next, let's explore mindfulness exercises that help kids and parents stay calm and focused. These are perfect for managing big emotions or just winding down together. Bubble breathing. Pretend to blow slow, giant bubbles. Inhale deeply through your nose, then exhale slowly through your mouth. It's a fun way to practice deep breathing. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. It's great for calming anxiety. Guided imagery. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place like a beach or forest. Describe it together using all your senses. Mindful coloring. Grab some coloring books and focus on the colors and patterns. It's a simple way to practice being present. Now, let's take a moment to enjoy some quality time together. Coloring is such a wonderful way to bond with your child. It allows for creativity and conversation to flow naturally. So grab those crayons and let your imaginations run wild. Finally, let's talk about creative journaling. Writing is a powerful tool for kids to explore their feelings and reflect on their experiences. Here are some prompts to get started. Today, I felt. Encourage them to describe their emotions and what caused them. Draw your mood. Let them sketch how they're feeling. Art can express emotions words sometimes can't. If my emotion were a color, ask what color would it be and why. This helps them connect feelings to abstract ideas. A letter to my future self. Write about their hopes, dreams, and challenges. It's a great way to build self-awareness. My superpower? Have them write or draw about a strength they're proud of. It boosts confidence and resilience. These activities aren't just about building emotional intelligence, they're about creating meaningful connections and memories with your family. Start small, have fun, and watch your child's emotional skills grow. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on raising emotionally intelligent kids. Drop a comment below. Which activity are you excited to try first? See you next time. Bye for now.